Hey everyone, welcome back to The Explainer. If you've ever dealt with moving to a bustling, fast-paced city, you know the absolute headache it can be. Well, today, we are diving into the ultimate guide for fully furnished apartments in Bashundhara R, Dhaka. We're going to unpack a totally hassle-free living solution that is quite literally transforming the local real estate market. Now, to make sure we're giving you the absolute best info today, we're pulling right from local data. As our source actually notes, আমরা বিভিন্ন নির্ভরযোগ্য সোর্স থেকে তথ্য সংগ্রহ করি, যার মধ্যে banglamart.com ও hotels.com.bd উল্লেখযোগ্য। এসব সোর্সের মাধ্যমে ফার্নিশড সার্ভিস ডিপার্টমেন্ট ভাড়ার তথ্য পাওয়া যায়। Basically, that just means we are drawing our insights directly from incredibly reliable local platforms like banglamart.com and hotels.com.bd, giving us real on-the-ground market data for furnished rentals. All right, here is our game plan for today. 1. The Dhaka rental evolution. 2. Unfurnished versus furnished living. 3. Why choose Bashundhara R. 4. The investor's advantage. And 5. Finding your perfect home. Let's get right into it.
Starting right off with Section 1, the Dhaka rental evolution.
So look, as Bangladesh's economy is just booming right now, rapid urbanization in Dhaka is pulling in professionals, expats, and students at this incredible rate, and it's creating an unprecedented demand for ready-to-live housing. I mean, picture this. You land at the airport on a Sunday, and you've got to start a high-stakes corporate job the very next morning. You literally do not have the time to hunt for furniture, wait around for the Wi-Fi guy, or buy pots and pans from scratch. Modern renters absolutely demand immediate convenience over those traditional empty shell setups.
Which brings us perfectly to Section 2, unfurnished versus furnished living.
Okay, the contrast here is pretty wild when you actually lay it out. Going the traditional unfurnished route, it is a massive chore. No furniture, you're setting up the internet and utilities yourself, the kitchen is completely bare, and yeah, absolutely zero housekeeping. You're looking at weeks of effort just to make the place livable. But on the flip side, the fully furnished service model, immediate move-in ready. Imagine just walking through the door to find the internet blazing fast, utilities perfectly connected, and your housekeeping schedule already set. It completely wipes out the friction of moving.
And just to be clear, we are not talking about a basic room with a bed shoved in the corner. We're talking fully equipped turnkey homes. High-quality bedroom sets, pre-installed AC, and fully equipped kitchens with a fridge and a washer ready to go on day one. For busy professionals or multinational companies that are tired of sticking their executives in pricey, impersonal hotel rooms, this is the ultimate, comfortable transition into the city. Literally everything, from the living room couch to the dining room table, is perfectly curated and ready to use.
Moving on to Section 3, why choose Bashundhara R.
So where's the absolute best place in Dhaka to actually get this modern, ready-made lifestyle? Well, Bashundhara RCA consistently ranks at the very top, and there are 3 big reasons for that. First, the location is incredibly strategic, giving you super easy access to major business districts, top hospitals, educational institutions, and the airport. Second, it's safe. We're talking gated communities and monitored streets. And third, modern amenities. You've got parks, fitness centers, cafes, and supermarkets right at your doorstep. It masterfully combines a peaceful residential vibe with really high-end urban connectivity. And this focus on a secure, well-planned environment really provides absolute peace of mind. Which makes total sense, right? It's exactly why security-conscious folks, especially expatriates and families, flock to this specific community. They can focus on their jobs and their families without constantly stressing over the foundational safety of their neighborhood.
Okay, so we can clearly see why a tenant would absolutely love this setup. But what does this all mean for property owners? If you're an investor, all of this premium lifestyle demand translates directly into an incredibly lucrative business opportunity.
That takes us right into Section 4, the investor's advantage.
The bottom line here is that satisfying tenant convenience directly scales into higher, way more reliable returns for property owners. It really breaks down into 3 very clear steps. Step 1, you secure a higher rental income because tenants are more than happy to pay a premium for all that built-in convenience. Step 2, consistent occupancy. Because Bashundhara R is in such insanely high demand, properties there deal with far fewer vacancy gaps. And Step 3, unlocking corporate leasing. Businesses are always looking for high-quality places for their execs, and those are stable, long-term, predictable leases. For an investor, it turns an unpredictable rental market into a highly streamlined, profitable venture. Plus, as Bangladesh's economy keeps globalizing, there is a continuous pipeline of expats coming to Dhaka who absolutely require international living standards. They are specifically hunting for fully furnished service departments that mirror the quality they expect globally. So this constant influx really proves this isn't just some passing trend. It is a highly sustainable, future-proof asset class that is going to grow right alongside the country's economic expansion.
All right, wrapping things up with Section 5, Finding Your Perfect Home.
Whether you're an investor looking for a profitable venture or a renter searching for that seamless urban lifestyle, bridging the gap between market demand and the right property is vital. And this is exactly where localized expertise comes in. Based on our source data, if you are looking for a fully furnished service department in Bashundhara R, Dhaka, let REIT Limited help you find the perfect place to call home. You can reach them directly by calling +880 1711 993377 or check out their website at hotels.com.bd. They are exactly the kind of experts helping to remove all the traditional friction of Dhaka real estate.
Which brings us to a final thought for you to chew on today. As Dhaka's urban landscape continues to rapidly evolve, will your next move be an investment in seamless convenience or a compromise on comfort? Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this explainer, and I really hope these insights help you tackle your next move or investment with absolute confidence.